Hello, this is Algebra 2, Chapter 7, Section 5, and this is page 3 of the notes. This is the final page of the notes. We have this one formula here that we can add in with the 3 from before. This is good stuff. It says log base c of a equals log base b of a divided by log base b of c. That's true. Not necessarily totally helpful for you, but here's what is helpful for you. If you have any base, like log base c of a, you can do that as the common logarithm, log base 10 of a, divided by log base 10 of c. It says and, but the truth is, it really means or, because you have a choice. You can do that as natural log of a divided by natural log of c. And so, as it will turn out here in the example, and then the checkpoint, you have a choice of which logarithm to use. Either one is totally okay. Your calculator almost certainly has a button for both of them, so you can use either the common log, it's the button that says log on your calculator, or you can use the natural log, it's the button that says ln on your calculator. I prefer the natural log because it's better, but mostly because it has one fewer letter to write, and so that means a little bit less work. But you don't have to agree with me on that. Let's look at example 4. We're going to use a change of base formula. It says we're going to evaluate log base 6 of 11 using common logarithms and natural logarithms. Well, okay, it's actually not really that exciting either way, but we should practice. So, boom. If you're changing base, it's a fraction. So we're going to do the common logarithm. That's log base 10 first. So log of 11 divided by log of 6. And, you can do log of 11 on your calculator. That's about 1.0414. Log of 6 on your calculator is about 0.7782. And when you divide those, you get about 1.3383. Yeah, good times. However, you could do the natural logarithm instead. This is my preferred one, although the other one's just fine. Natural log of 11 divided by natural log of 6. Now the individual numbers are different. So the natural log of 11 is about 2.3978, and the natural log of 6 is about 1.7918. You know what? I made a mistake. The natural log of 11 is not 2.3978-ish. It's 2.3979-ish. I apologize. Off by 10,000th there. Okay, so those numbers in the fraction are different from the numbers in the fraction with the common logarithms. And, well, they sort of should be different, and they are. But what's really cool is when you divide them, you actually get the same answer as when you divided before. Boom. Cool, cool, cool. So, checkpoint. Here's where the spiel comes in. Give yourself a chance. Please try these on your own. I'll wait a few seconds for you to pause it. Come back. See how you're doing. Okay, these are the answers for number 5. You can do it either way, common log or natural log. I showed both ways. The individual numbers along the way are different, but the final answer is the same. Well, okay, it's actually almost the same. It is different by 1/10,000th. It's a rounding issue. We rounded once before the division, rounded again after the division, both times. You might be off by 1 or 2 10,000ths as a result. Nothing to get too excited about, but also definitely another reason to show your work. Okay, give yourself a shot on number 6. Go ahead and pause this and try it. Okay, these are the answers. You got 1.5936 if you did it to 4 decimal places consistently with the common logarithm. And you got 1.5937 if you did it to 4 decimal places, or the nearest 10,000th, with the natural logarithm. Again, small rounding issue. Nothing to get excited about. Uh, Certainly, if it were a multiple choice test question, they wouldn't both be options. And if it were free response, excuse me, they'd both be acceptable, especially if you had shown some work along the way. Anyway, that's it for this page. That's it for this section. We're done with Chapter 7, Section 5. Thank you for watching.